everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new dance tutorial for you. The title of the song is called PAPI by Isabela, I don't know how to pronounce the surname, Merced or Merce, something like that. Alright, let's start. Let's start. So from here you're gonna go single, 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 double, double, single, single, turn and back. It goes like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cross on 7. Look back on 8. Okay. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and go right, left, 1 and left, right, cross and back, cross and back. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cross 7 and 8. Alright? You got it? Next. Drag 1, 2. This is super slow. It's actually you can go 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can go up 2, 3, 4. Alright, your choice. 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Next, you're gonna go 5 and 6. Drop on 7. Hit on 8. As simple as that. One more time from me. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Drop 7 and 8. Copy? Good job. Next. So from here, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, drop on 4. Copy? One more time. 6, 7, 7, and 8. You just step your left 1. That's go inside 2. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, drop on 4. Okay? Then you're gonna go sit on 5, open 6. You're gonna go 7, drop. Half 8. Okay? Don't sleep, don't stay there longer. 8. One more time. Reverse. Alright, up. So it goes like 7 and 8. Step 1, 2, 3, drop on 4, sit on 5, open on 6, drop on 7, cover on 8. Okay? Can you see me? Let's try from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, ta-da-da. Left, right, cross 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, sit 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? You got it? Next from here, it's so simple. You just go touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna go slide. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're gonna go straight 5, 6, 7, and 8. And sleep. Okay, one more time. Let's do this so slow. Hope you can see. From here, right? 7 and 8. First, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. End up on 4. Then you're gonna release your left from because it's clipped to your right. So you're gonna release that one for 5. Continue going down. You're gonna stretch your left 6, 7. Straight up 8. Okay, so your right is pointing up. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roger? From the beginning. Huh? From the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next, just simply go put your hand to the side. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, then 5, 6, 6, then go up on 7 and 8. You're gonna do it continuously. Alright, one more time. Watch carefully. So from here, right? Oh my god. So up, you're gonna put your hand to the side. Go up on 1, chest first, 2, 3, and 4. Go 5. And up on 6, this is continuous. And 7, 8. Good job. From the beginning. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and go right. Left, rotate slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. What are you doing? 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. Hit, then 1, 2, 3, down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 5, 6. Up. 7, 8. Okay, good job. So from here we're gonna go up. Next we're gonna go up. Don't go up on 7, 8. You're gonna go up on 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Point to the camera. 4. Go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? You got it? Simple as that. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk right first. Left, open, and 8. Next, from here, move your. So you're gonna use your hips. Right, left, turn around, look to the back. One more time. 6, 7, and you're gonna go right, left, rotate, up. Copy? You're gonna go down on 5, 6, 7, look up on 8, then close. That's it. One more time. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, rotate, drop. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Good job. Let's try it from here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Good job. From the beginning, let's do everything from the beginning. Let's do everything. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cross. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop on 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. Hips, hips, rotate, open. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography that we made. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. Alright? If you want to see more dance tutorial or dance video, including vlog or everything, pet, everything, you just go to my channel, go to the playlist, and yeah, you can see a lot of things. Alright? See you next time. Bye bye.